Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer. If you've never been here before, if you're just stopping by, and we're going to talk sales today, and you know you want to know. So come on in and like and share the video on your way. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. Make sure it says all, and you'll be one of us. And that way you will never miss a deal, steal, glitch, free stuff, or awesome information like we're doing today. Yeah, everybody come on in. And blessings, blessings, blessings. And guys, I know it's been a while, but can we take a moment? We really need to take a moment before we hop into our deals today. It just washed over me, really. It wasn't intentional, but when universe speaks, I've learned to listen. So we're going to take a moment in this video, if you would, and we're all going to join together in agreement, please, and ask for peace. We are not going to ask for it. We're going to demand it, okay? Because we've been promised. You know what I mean? So let's do this thing. Dear Lord, oh Lord, mercy, mercy, please. Look at what your children are doing. Please, Lord, please mercy for those that need it, grace for those that don't, and loving hands for those that have lost. I don't know what else to ask you, Lord, except for you to make it stop. The madness needs to stop, Lord. The hatred needs to stop. And we gather together and we are demanding that it stop, Lord. Reach into these hearts of these hateful people and take it away. Smite them if need be. But make it stop, Lord. Please have mercy upon us all. And lend us your grace. For we know you love us. And you would never forsake us. We stand in agreement, asking these things of you, Lord, because you promised them. Thank you, because we now know they're going to be done. Blessings be, and peace to all those that hear. Amen. Okay, guys, that really wasn't intended. Neither was the words. I didn't know what was coming, but all right. I will have to go back and even listen to this. But y'all get the drift. This is madness and it needs to stop. And whatever we need to do to help it stop, well, we're going to do it. And that includes the show of faith. All right. Now, for those of you who are new, who've never been here, prayer is not an everyday thing. But occasionally it is needed, okay? Occasionally we have to stand together as a group and tell the universe what we want. All right? Not what we hope for, but what we know is going to happen. All right. Let's get back to our deals. I had to revamp myself here, guys. Yes, we're having a sale. Yeah. Yeah. Deal days, November 16th to the 18th. But, well, there's some deals, so let's talk about them. I've even got you a scenario made with these deals. We've got soda deals, of course, 3 for $4 on your 2 liters, your RC Cola, your ginger ales, Mellow Yellows, Sunkiss. There is a plethora of them. And, of course, we've got our bottles of Pepsi products, 4 for $13. And if I'm not mistaken, there is a $1 coupon digital on that. Now, we also have the 3 for $6 Kellogg's cereals. And we have Da-da! The Reese's Messengers or Holiday Trees. Buy two, get one free. Now, we have a glitching Reese's coupon that is attaching to this. It is the 2 off of 9 for traditional Reese's candy, but it is attaching to these messengers, okay? Now, we also have another coupon that's attaching to this, and that is the 3 off of 10 holiday candy. Now, I am not sure, but the last time that came around, this was glitching with that 3 off of 10 coupon. You didn't have to spend 10 because it would pick up the original price. Alright? And as of right now, we'll have to see, because tomorrow I got it in my cart. When I get up in the morning, we're going to check it and see if the price has changed when it goes to buy two, get one free. But I'm thinking that it's going to glitch with that holiday coupon. But if it doesn't, we still got the $2 off the Reese's glitching coupon. Alright? Okay, this is the $2 Reese's coupon that is attaching to that buy two, get one free deal. And this is the glitching, hopefully, Hershey holiday candy coupon. Okay? So if you've got both of these, you could get $5 off on candy. But if not, then you could do one or the other. So, next up on this deal, we've got Scott toilet tissue, okay? And it is on sale for $2.75 on your sale. And you also have Arm & Hammer detergent, the $6 one, in my case $6.25, 2 for $10. So, it's like saving $2.50 without any coupons. But we have a coupon. We have $1 off, okay? So that's going to be 2 for $9 with this particular one. We also have a new $1.50 off the $4 bottle of Arm & Hammer. And a $3 earn off the $9 bottle of Arm & Hammer. But for this scenario, we're going to go for the 2 for $10, okay? Let's have a quick view of the math real quick. We've got Arm & Hammer, 2 for the $10. You got $1 off. The 3 Reese's candy is going to be $9. You got the 2 or the 3 off. And then you got the Scott toilet paper for $1 off. Now, we got some glitches we're going to throw in here for your 5 off 25 scenario. You're going to pick up the Pro Health toothpaste if you haven't already done it on the dollar aisle. It's got a $1 coupon. The Oral-B toothbrush, if you haven't used it yet, $1 on the dollar aisle. Now, you're $2 over on this transaction, so you could lose one of these dollar items if you needed to. Now, the Colgate Optic White Gel is on sale for $3.25. You have 2 different Colgate coupons. You have a $3 and you have a $1.50, and you, well, 3 different ones, and a $2.50. Now, I went with the $1.50. If you have any of the others, you want to stay with the others, because the account that I was working with when I did this, I had already used my $3 coupon, okay? Because this is the toothpaste in which I use, particularly the gel. So, if you have the $3 coupon, you want to use that one. Don't clip the other coupons. That way, your out-of-pocket would only be 25 cents on this one. But if not, the $1.50 is your minimum amount that you're going to save on this one. So, that's why I went with that one. Like I said, out-of-pocket for this could be a little bit more, or excuse me, a little bit less, but not more, okay? So, you're looking at $27 out of pocket right there with those items. You got $12.50 coming off. That leaves you paying $15.50 for 9 items, or $1.72 an item. Okay? Like I said, if you want to, you could drop either one of the dollar items. They're just fillers and freebies. And you only really need one of them. Because I like to stay at that $26 mark just in case. Okay? So this is this deal. And you can break it apart or use it as your 5 off 25 scenario, or one of them, okay? Next, let's talk about the toy sale. We've got 25% off when you spend $75 on any toys in any single transaction. And if you do this on Saturday, of course, you're going to get your $5 extra off as well. So, what can you do with that? Well, we've got another part of this sale. We've got BOGO, buy one, get one 50% off on some of these toys. Disney toys, dinosaur toys, Play-Doh, and they've got a pretty good variety of toys now. Some of these toys go as high as $40 to $50. So, yeah. Go check the toy sale out at the Dollar General before you hit the big box stores, unless you're going to get something like a big screen TV. And for those of you who need to know, Walmart is putting out their Black Friday stuff a little bit at a time early. They already have their TV sets out in the middle aisle, already Black Friday priced. So they've got a 55-inch color K4 crystalline Samsung TV for $298, guys. So you don't have to wait till Black Friday if that's what you're looking for. Go get online to Walmart. You might even find a better deal. But for sure, if you need that TV set, go ahead and go now. Don't wait till Black Friday, because they might all be gone. Alright, guys. So there's your daily deal. Stay tuned because, well, it's the middle of the week. It's time for our food deal. And I will get that up for you so you can save you some money on food. And we're going to save a lot because we're going to use that earn deal that I gave you yesterday, or in the last video. So if you haven't watched it, watch the last video about earning money. We're going to take that $9.50 that we earned, and we're going to spend it on food. Yep. And you know you want to know. So I'll see you back next time. Blessings.